Oh, the shark!
Yes!
I don't even know where I'm going, but I'm chasing the shark because that looks cool. It's pretty big.
What just happened? Fucking chunk. Oh well, there goes $5 grand. Alright boys, you look after the house. You look after the house. The boys. Because Dad's going on a trip, going on an Aquaholiks trip. So got the car, got the boat, getting all loaded up with all the gear. So we're going to location about 2 hours, 2.5 hours from here. I've been there before, but this is different. We've got the new dog, the new boat. Sea dog. How you going, mate?
Good.
How you doing?
Good.
You know, we're almost there. Woo! Dan's right, he's drinking. Yeah.
Don't slow down, go faster.
Where do we have to turn here? I can't remember.
Keep going.
Joe, quick, quick. What's the matter, mate? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? He's busted, boy. Hope he makes it. What are you doing, Josh?
Sorting some shit out.
You're not going to take to the bed tonight, are you?
I probably will. Bring that colour in it.
I'd take the hook out, but use the other one.
No, I was going to leave the hook in actually. More pleasure.
There we go. So you use that, and you put those little dogs on there.
Boom.
Even with these ones here.
Now we'll take them off.
Oh, okay.
They're the bottom meat, but we'll change that to that.
Right.
Go boom. And the big fish go.
I hear you got a new rod and reel.
Got the Ocean Legacy.
Oh.
Element.
Look at the knob on that.
And the big dog. Look at that spin.
Look at the spin. You can get 350 meters of line on there, is that right?
Yep. Rod's 300 grams. Slow fall. Jigging rod.
Oh, not bad, eh?
Beautiful.
So, this is all our arsenal, all our rods. That's my rod there. There's all the rods we're going to take for tomorrow. You just never know.
You never know, mate.
What's the motto? What's our company motto? If you don't know what you're doing, look like that you can.
Act like you knew.
That's it. So you just keep faking it until you make it.
That's the one.
This is Big Trev. G'day, Trev.
G'day, buddy, how are you?
How you going, mate?
Good, mate.
Welcome to Bremer Bay, mate.
Thank you.
This is your first time?
No, I've been down here before once.
You like it?
Love it. Yeah, it's
Oh,
nice
so we can make you like it even more.
I hope so.
Basically what we're doing is we're charging up all the gear. Tonight, that's the above drone, that's the below drone. This thing here is my satellites from Telstra. So thank you, Telstra. This is from Ray, AudioCom, good on you, buddy. And we're at the brewery making some nice beer. And then we play some pool. Well, boys, are you ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
Ready?
Ready, Trev?
Yeah, mate.
While watching boats, they go out and check out the killer whales, killer squid, killer sharks, killer everything. Oh, Josh is on. Josh is on. Josh is off. Josh is off. So you know, Josh, that was a good fish, don't you?
Yep.
Far out.
Little.
That was a nana guy. Ripped it out of its mouth.
A big fish go.
How's the rod feel, Josh?
Awesome. All guys.
Is that the new one?
Yep.
Well, hey, you got any bites, Trev? Oh, Trev on! Ah! Look at that. So now what we're going to do now is teach these boys, Trev, how to catch fish. Eh?
Put a bit of bait on. Fuck the jigging.
What's your call, Trev? You're on? All right. What's your call, Josh?
Nanny.
Nanny, you reckon, eh?
Maybe, I don't know actually.
Is it Nana guy, a big one? I think it's a big Nana guy. It is, sideways Nana guy. That's a nice one, Josh.
Thanks, mate.
Just look at that doll. Oh, hello. Hello, little fella. It's almost the size of Nemo. All right, Jay, what do you got, mate? I reckon you got another Nanny too, I think.
Sideways as well.
Sideways as well. Sideways Nanny. No, you can smile. You can smile. Smile. It's okay. You smile. That's a stoner. I don't drop it just yet. So have a quick look at it. Look at that. If that stung me, I'd be dead in about 3 or 4 minutes.
Fucking ugly with the fucking leaf.
Yeah. That's a nanny. Look at the size of that little dog. Big dog. Just look at that dog. Yeah. What do you got, Joshy?
I don't know.
Hey, Trev, you're on, boy. There you go. You got him. You got him. You got him. What do we got? What do we got? I reckon they're nannies, I reckon. Sweet. And Shit, look at the big black ass. Josh, what did you do?
I just got spanked.
What did you do, Josh?
I got spanked.
You got spanked. Josh, that was a big fish and you lost it. Again. Come on, fellas, what do you got up there, boys? What did you got, Jade? You lost it. Oh, no. So I think what it is because you guys are young, right?
Young
and you
dumb.
pull too hard. I think you just, you relate the other thing to this thing and it's not the same thing, right?
Mine's only a short half full though.
What do we got there? What do we got? What do we got?
Nanny.
Nanny! Oh, yeah.
What do you got, mate?
What I got? I reckon I got a couple of muleys. If it falls off, it's a nanny. There it comes. There it comes.
He's trying to rip him. Is it sore?
Look at that nanny. Hey?
That's a big nanny.
Hey? Motion of the ocean. Nice. What we do is we got to the shelf. We're on the edge of it. And I think I've just got a fish, which is amazing. We've travelled about 60 k's to get here. Middle of nowhere. First time. So we'll see what we're going to get in about 50 metres. What do we got? Don't tell me. It's a big ass f***ing chunk. You've got to believe it, every time we come to the shelf. Oh my God, where's Gary? That's his fault.
Shit.
That big dog.
So you said you had 2 fish.
Look at that. Well, I thought I had 2.
Cheese.
20 kilometres for that. Good. Bait. Looks like a nana guy. Looks like a nana guy. Come on, nana guy. Oh.
Stand by.
There goes my nana guy. And there's some thing. Big fish.
You got one, Trev?
Alright, Trishy.
Sambo Slayer!
You reckon it's a sambo? I don't think it's a sambo, it comes too easy. It's either that or the rod's good. I think that's going to be a snapper, mate. What is it? What is it? Yeah, snapper. Whee!
You hold that?
Look at that.
Oh, that's pretty cool, dude. Good work, Lexi. Thanks, mate.
And that's on the Shimano one, huh?
Yeah, mate.
Shimano jig. Whoa. Whoa, he's alive. Look at that, nice. Hello. Hey, look at that. Well done, Josh.
Thanks, mate. What are you calling, Trevor? What are you calling, buddy? Can't talk, too poops. Jaden? Whoever's got the worst fish has to kiss it. Yeah.
Good fish.
Good fish?
Yes. Move back. Move back. Look at that, Trev. Woo! Look at that. 1, 2.
And number 3.
Yeah, no, but I need the net.
Beautiful. Beautiful and beautiful.
Well, we'll see. I lost it. I lost it. Far out.
Mick kisses his face.
Far out.
Hey, this thing is working absolute wonders.
Big nanny. Nice nanny. Look at that. Sideways nanny. Quick scoop him in, scoop him up. Nice size. What have we got here? What have we got here? Josh, yeah, you're on, eh? You were on. Ah! What the size of that dog?
Dogs. Come on, Josh.
What do you got, Josh? You reckon? Man, this one here was fine. I don't think we're going there. I don't know. I'm confused. What is it? Another guy? What? Big piece of shit. That's what it is.
That's the one I threw back. Is that a cut on the smoke? Yeah. Front left hand side.
Hey Josh, that's a real small jigging rod you got there, mate.
Custom made on the boat.
Up on the boat. What else happened today, Josh?
Oh, lost 3 jigs. Lost a leader.
How many fish you lose today, Josh? Oh, we're still doing all right.
Bloody oath.
Look at that.
Beautiful.
180 metres, 200 metres. Jaden captain. Captain's up. I won't say because that means I have to cut it out. Oh, he's got a sticky asshole. He definitely has, last night.
Still burning?
Huh? Oh.
It's still burning? No, no.
Are you still upset?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, the bottom lips.
I need to get the bulk out.
Big nanny. Woo!
Jaden, where's your darting fish?
Woohoo! Alrighty. What do you got there, Trev? It's alright though. Keep going. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. That's a big nanny, that is. I'm hoping. Look at that. Jigga jigga jolly, eh? Look at that. Oh, it's a little dog. Sweet. That is a nanny guy. Nice little dog. So what we're going to try and do is that we are going to try and send the drone down the deepest it's ever been, between 84.5 metres and 95 metres. The depth safe is supposed to be 100. Hopefully we get it back. All right, Joshy is on the tether. Over there, that's the tether. We've got 200 metres of that dog. Jaden's just getting the drone down now. Whereabouts are we now, Josh?
Going back this way.
So where's the tether now? So can I reverse back? No? All right, keep me informed.
These things here will bite that tether.
What is it, chunks?
Yeah. Whole school of them.
Oh shit, I wonder why we couldn't get
Oh. Things are trying to attack me and everything. Oh, the shark. Yes. That is cool.
Chase him. Chase him.
I am.
First one. Hey!
I don't even know where I'm going, but I'm chasing the shark because that was cool. That was sick.
Can you see him still?
Yeah, he's swimming away though.
What is he? What sort of shark?
I don't know.
Was it big or small?
It's pretty big. Oh, they're not as big as that shark. No, it's pretty big. That's not right.
What just happened? Fucking chunk. No way.
I reckon it has.
Oh no.
I'll bet you any money. Have a pull on that.
Yeah, there's no weight on that.
Oh my god. That's it.
Well, do you reckon that shark would have done
Nah, they were really in chunks. You said you were worried about the chunks. Oh well, there goes 5 grand.
There once was a chunk that lived under the sea.
And he wrecked all of
And there is no way that drone is coming back to the top.
Let's look. Wow. That's a very expensive day. Joey, see what Jaden's got here? This little bubba nanny. Oh my god, we found the nursery. Oh, how cute is that? Oh, look, we've had a saltwater aquarium. How's it go there, buddy? You on, mate? Sorry?
Not very big on the hook.
No? Oh, what's it? It's still a fish. Oh. It's a little dog.
How you going, big fella?
Yeah, right.
Wake you up.
Decent.
Wake you up.
Time.
Said you want to catch a big fish. Lift and one, lift and one.
get it on tape. I said hook up the Dewey. I mean, I always say Dewey because I want it to be a Dewey for the fisher person and for the boat. But, well, if it's not a leather jacket, I'm going to have to turn the camera off because is it a Dewey? Is it a Dewey? It's a Melda fish. No, what is it called? It's called a sweep. Yeah, you caught 3 of those, Trev. What you got there, Joshua? Nanagai. It is a Nanagai. Little dog. It's not bad though, good shoulders. What do you got, Trev? There it is. It's a Nanagai. I think you had 2 on there and you lost 1. Look, snapped off. The big one snapped off. Alright, the big one got off. Look, because it was definitely bigger than that. That's alright. That's got to go back. That's what was biting back there. We got some meat. We got some meat. We're on the bottom, boys. Right. Look at that. Fish. What are you 2 jokers doing?
Jigging with that little
Jigging? What are you doing, Jaden? You jigging? What are you using? What about you, Josh? Vex Cray head. Yep. What are you, Trev? What are you doing, bud? What do you got? Bait. Bait. Yeah, what are you using for bait, mate? What are you using?
Muleys.
Muleys?
Yeah.
Just 2 muleys?
2 muleys. See
No,
where we go.
no squid or nothing?
No.
Ooh, okay. Might have a fish. What is it? I hope it's not a leather jacket. It's a leather jacket. Far out. You know what's worse? You know what's worse?
Not one.
Look at that. Oh my God. You never lose any of those, do you? No, you don't.
Oh, look at the tuna circle, mate. Yeah.
Tuna circle worked, didn't it? Well, guys, we're coming back in now. Look, the day is beautiful, but it's getting pretty windy, so we're going to call it a day. But thanks again for watching. It's goodbye from Trev. Gonna get some smoke out of his mouth. See you, Trev.
See you, mate.
Thanks for coming, buddy.
Thanks for
See you, Josh. Josh the Hunter, Jaden Scott. That's goodbye from me. Thanks again for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and hit the bell so you know when the next one comes out, which is weekly every Sunday. Until then, stay safe, happy fishing. Joshy, just look at your rod, mate. Look at that. Joshy made a homemade rod today.
Smith Customs.
That's it. Look at that. Broken tip. Have you got the other tip?
Yeah.
There is. We had a disaster of that today. The amount of shit. My f***ing drone got eaten by a shark or a most likely a leather jacket. The stinky bastards. That was my dream. But anyway, can't cry over spilled milk, as they say. So I'll cry over a glass of scotch instead, I think. But anyway, did you find your tip or not? Oh, Jaden ate it.
No, other side.
All right. Anyway, guys, we're going to go and clean up and, yeah, get ready for another day tomorrow. So we'll see you tomorrow. Woo!